Hello, thanks for joining me on this short video. This is Jerry Norton, and my business partner Peter Conti and I are excited to talk to you about a real estate investing strategy that we feel is a very, very big opportunity right now, and it is with foreclosures. Yes, that's right, foreclosures. And the reason why we're so excited about foreclosures right now is because this is a way to make a bunch of money. And so I want to take a minute and talk to you about foreclosures here in this video. Now is the time to cash in on these unprecedented bargains. There has never been a better time to profit from foreclosures than right now. Now let me share with you just one example of a foreclosure deal. This was a house that we picked up in Clarkston, Michigan, and we renovated this property. And what's exciting is that we were able to pick this up for $40,000 as a foreclosure, and then we fixed it up and resold it for $98,500 and made a $21,729 profit on this deal. So you don't want to miss out. If you let this chance pass you by, you'll be missing out on one of the best opportunities to make money with real estate in the history of our entire country. Did you know foreclosures are up 400% in the past 30 years? Now let me tell you a few of the reasons why I think that is. Personal bankruptcy is up 400% in the past 40 years. Gambling's up 700% in the past 40 years. Consumer debt is at historic highs. Personal savings are at historic lows. And people without health insurance has climbed above 50%. Now, according to Realty Track, which is the #1 place online for foreclosure data, reported that foreclosure filings were 1.8 million just last year. Now, the economist David Schulman of UCLA predicts foreclosures will continue to rise as more adjustable rate mortgages reset. So Realty Track Vice President Rick Sharga expects a 35 to 40% increase in foreclosure filings this year over last year. Okay, so this is huge. This is huge. I want to tell you though, the secret, the #1 secret when it comes to making money with foreclosures is timing. It's all about timing. So what I want to do here is to show you this and to illustrate my point here is I want to take a minute and I want to talk about the foreclosure process. There are some filings that have to happen in the timeline, let's call it, of foreclosures. The first is the notice of default filing. And this is a notice to the owner that the foreclosure process is being started. This is typically 30 to 60 days after a homeowner misses a payment. Now, there's a number of other things that take place usually, but then there's the notice of trustee sale filing. And in this filing, it specifies the date and time of the auction that's set and serves as the owner's final notice before sale. Now, after the filing of notice of trustee sale, there are only 3 possible outcomes that can happen. One is the sale can be canceled. Now, this would be because of a loan modification or a short sale. The second thing that could happen is the property goes to sale. And at the sale, what happens is the bank will place the opening bid. And if a third-party investor typically bids more than the bank's opening bid, then the property is sold to that third party. Now, if it's not bid on by a third-party investor, it will go back to the bank and it will become part of the bank's REO inventory or real estate-owned, bank-owned property. So let's take a look at this a different way. We have a foreclosure timeline. If you can see here, all the way over to the left is when an owner misses a payment. Now there's this window here, usually 30 to 90 days, until the bank files the notice of default. Then a number of other things happen, and then there's the notice of trustee sale. After that, then the sale happens. This whole time here, during that time, is all during that foreclosure timeline when those things have to happen. Now, one strategy to make money with foreclosures is here at the trustee sale. If you've got the cash and you can go to the sale, you can pick up some fantastic deals. What Peter and I are seeing right now in the markets, in most markets, is that the banks are bidding in, they're placing the opening bid far below current value. Not in all cases, but in many cases below its current value, meaning that you can go in and you can pick up some great deals. But that requires cash. You have to be able to have the cash right then and there. Now there's another window of opportunity right up here during this time when the owner misses their payment. This is right here, this is what we call pre-foreclosure. It's before the foreclosure process has happened. It's during that time when the owner is late on their payments. Now, during this window of opportunity is when you can pick up some fantastic deals with no money down. In other words, you can structure some deals at this point where there is no money out of pocket, where you can put a deal together and make big profits with foreclosures, pre-foreclosures, So what we want you to do is we want you to watch your email. Keep your eyes peeled. We're going to be sending you some more information about how you can take advantage of this amazing opportunity today in the marketplace with foreclosures. This is Jerry Norton on behalf of Peter and myself. We'll see you soon, so stay tuned.